Kartik Tyagi is an Indian cricketer. He made his first-class debut for Uttar Pradesh in the 2017-2018 Ranji Trophy on October 6, 2017, a month before he turned 17. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Kartik Tyagi Biography. Real name, Kartik Tyagi. Nickname, Tyagi, Kartik. Occupation, Indian cricketer. Ethnicity, Asian, Indian. Zodiac signs, Scorpio. Date of birth, November 8, 2000, age 20 years. Place of birth, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. Nationality, Indian. Religion, Hinduism. Education, L.N. Public School, Hapur. Educational qualification, 11th standard. Net worth, Kartik Tyagi's earning sources cricket. His estimated net worth is $100 K minus $300 K. His net worth in Indian currency is 1 crore minus 2 crore rupees. Kartik Tyagi profile details. A fast medium bowler who loves to swing the ball both ways at moderate pace. Kartik Tyagi comes from the land that produced the Praveen Kumars and Bhuvaneshwar Kumars, swing merchants both. Not surprising that Kartik has taken the same route in the U19 World Cup 2020 was where Kartik made a global statement. His speeds were impressive, but even more impressive was his ability to generate movement in the air and at times, off the pitch too. With the old ball, Kartik has the ability to vary the pace and execute Yorkers too. The Royals snapped him up at the 2020 auctions, his maiden IPL contract, and the young fast bowler will hope to make the most of this avenue, provided he gets chances. Kartik Tyagi cricket career. Batting style, right-handed bat. Bowling style, right-arm fast medium. Playing role, bowler. He made his List A debut for Uttar Pradesh in the 2017-2018 Vijay Hazare Trophy on February 5, 2018. In December 2019, he was named to India's squad for the 2020 Under-19 Cricket World Cup. In the 2020 IPL auction, he was bought by the Rajasthan Royals ahead of the 2020 Indian Premier League. He made his 2020 debut for the Rajasthan Royals in the 2020 Indian Premier League on October 6, 2020, against the Mumbai Indians. On October 26, 2020, Tyagi was named as one of 4 additional bowlers to travel with the Indian cricket team for their tour to Australia. On September 21, 2021, Tyagi conceded just 1 run in the final over against Punjab Kings while defending 4, and was named man of the match. Kartik Tyagi physical stats. Body types, athletic. Height, chest. 40 inches, waist. 32 inches, biceps. 12 inches. Weight, 70 kilogram. Eye color, black. Hair color, black. Kartik Tyagi family details. Mother, Neelam Tyagi. Father, Yajendra Tyagi. Sister, Nandini Tyagi. Kartik Tyagi cricket debut. First class, Uttar Pradesh v Railways, October 6 to 8, 2017. List A, Delhi v Uttar Pradesh, February 5, 2018. IPL debut, Mumbai Indians at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, October 6, 2020. Kartik Tyagi unknown facts. Kartik Tyagi is a professional Indian cricketer who represented India in the 2020 Under-19 Cricket World Cup. He possesses the ability to swing the ball both ways and shoot toe-crushing Yorkers. During his early school days, Kartik was more interested in sports than in studies. His father, whose aim to make a career in shooting ball was left unfulfilled because of lack of family support, wanted to fulfill his dream through his child and opted to put his son, Kartik, in a cricket academy. Once his son joined the academy, Yajendra put farming on a low priority. He would pack lunch and take it to school for his son, then they would change 2 buses and take a rickshaw to travel for 2 hours and reach the academy in Meerut. Father Yajendra Tyagi had to face a lot of difficulties in providing cricket training and practicing facilities to his son, Kartik. He even had to borrow money to buy a cricket kit for his son. Kartik's father explained about Kartik's training routine in an interview with the Indian Express. His day would begin at 6 a.m. and he would return home by 8 p.m. This was his routine 5 days a week. Over the weekend he would train on the wicket I made in the village and work on what his coach asked him to. Cricket became his life. Kartik's career witnessed progress faster than expected. He secured his place in the Uttar Pradesh Under-14 and Under-16 cricket teams. because of his talent, followed by selection in the Uttar Pradesh senior team at the age of 16, even before making his place in the Up-Under-19 squad. On October 6, 2017, he made his first-class debut for Uttar Pradesh in the 2017-2018 Ranji Trophy. On February 5, 2018, he made his List A debut for Uttar Pradesh in the 2017-2018 Vijay Hazare Trophy. He was one of the leading bowlers for the Indian team in the 2020 Under-19 Cricket World Cup. He took 11 wickets in the 6 matches that he played in the tournament. In December 2019, the Rajasthan Royals bought him for INR 1.3 crore in the players' auction for the IPL 2020. He played his first IPL match on October 6 against the Mumbai Indians. Kartik Tyagi house address. Kartik Tyagi lives in a village Lanora, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh, India.